Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Toyota Corolla Cruise Control. First, find the cruise control stalk, typically on the right side of your steering wheel. It's a small lever. Press the on/off button located at its end. You'll see a green indicator light appear on your dashboard, confirming the system is now active and ready for use. This simple step prepares your vehicle for effortless highway driving. Once the system is active, accelerate your Corolla to your preferred cruising speed. For safety, this is typically above 25 miles per hour. To set it, simply push the cruise control stalk down to the set position and release. Your vehicle will now maintain that speed. You can fine-tune your speed by nudging the stalk up for Res Plus to increase or down for Set to decrease in small increments. There are a few easy ways to cancel cruise control. The simplest is to lightly tap your brake pedal. This will temporarily disengage the system. Alternatively, you can push the cruise control stalk forward towards the dashboard to cancel the set speed. To completely turn off the entire cruise control system, just press the on/off button on the stalk once more. Choose the method that best suits your driving situation. If you've temporarily canceled cruise control, you can easily resume your last set speed. Simply push the stalk up to the Res Plus position. Remember, while cruise control is convenient, always stay alert and ready to take full control of your vehicle. It's best suited for open highways and consistent speeds, not for heavy traffic, winding roads, or adverse weather conditions. Drive safely and enjoy the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.